In this tutorial I will show you how to get Rocket League on Steam. First open your web browser and go to store.steampower.com. Now in the search bar search for Rocket League. You'll find that Rocket League is not available in the Steam shop anymore, because it has been added to the Epic Games Store. But you can buy an account that has Rocket League in it. So search for G2G Games. In the search bar search for Rocket League. Then select Video Games on Steam. Here you can purchase Steam accounts. If you want to get the Rocket League game on your Steam account, you can buy them on here.